Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the watch itself. So let's not waste any time and just get straight into this. Cut my way into this and come on, there we go. So, popping it open, we have the watch obviously at the front. And one of the buttons is bound to turn it on, so let's see which one. By holding both of them. Come on. There we go. Can protect. Perfect. Now below here we have the standard standard charger, universal one between all the HUAWEI watches. It's a magnetic one. Just take it out. There we go. Solid build, like really solid, like you can see. So no damage to that. It has some heft to it as well. Magnetically attaches to the watch itself. And yeah, so that's the charger. And then on the other side we get just paperwork. Now we can see the watch right now. Let's just, there we go. Now the Pro has tiny bit better haptic feedback. They're both like the non-Pro GT6 and the Pro that I have right here have okay haptic feedback, but it still is inferior to things like, for instance, the Apple Watch. So this one, like I also mentioned, has just a tiny bit better haptic feedback than the normal 6. So that's an improvement. Other than that, display looks about the same. The shape of it looks about the same. There is a slight difference. Actually, I don't know why, but this one actually seems bigger. They're identical. That's weird. I don't know why, but this watch, looking at them side by side, feels like it has a bigger display, but they're the exact same ones. So that's a bit odd. It could be because of the body of this watch also has this kind of design. So come on, let go. Right, down. So you can see we have this kind of lip right here, or however you want to call it. Unlike this one, just having a more traditional looking watch design, where you can just easily plop in any kind of strap in here. This one takes normal straps as well, same size by the looks of it. And just to kind of test it out, and take this off. So this is, what is it, 20 something, 22 millimeter or something like that strap, and I should be able to just plop it in here. You can see the holes. There we go. So you can see you can use a normal watch strap right here. Obviously it will not look as fitted as the original one, but you still have the option to swap it out for any other strap. Just the design kind of has a bit more filling in here, so it makes the watch look a little bit bigger. And the screen, because of that, feels, at least to me, a little bit smaller compared to the same display, same watch, or well, not the same watch, but same display size and build, with just this difference right here, where we don't have the filling right here. This screen seems like bigger. It's odd. Anyway, so that's about it. Now, one more thing that I wanted to point out is this is a HUAWEI watch. So one of the things that isn't necessarily being marketed that much, but it's definitely something that should be mentioned, is the sensors right here. So HUAWEI, as far as I remember, has some of the best sensors or data for it, they gather, out of all the smartwatches on the market. It beats out things like, for instance, Apple Watches, Garmin's, and stuff like that. So considering these devices, a HUAWEI watch, are cheaper, for instance, to garbage things like Garmin, which charge you premium for their reliability while not giving you reliable tracking data, is just baffling circumstance to me. How are they selling is beyond my comprehension. Now, I guess there is one caveat. Garmin's do have better battery life over this one. This is, by all intents and purposes, a actual like smartwatch with applications, stuff like that, but it's going through Huawei. But nonetheless, when it comes into tracking data, it's one of the best ones on the market as a company. And most of their watches, as far as I've seen, are always at the forefront of like what tracking data, how accurate they have when compared to actual medical and hardware designed to track this. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.